Hey everyone! Welcome back to my Groom Essentials. Today, we're going to dive into the points of our ultimate hair care tips, so you can transform your hair and look. The magical 5-in-1 shampoo that promises to not only clean your hair, but also moisturize it, add volume, strengthen it, and even protect it from harmful UV rays. The 0-point cut, this game-changing technique will not only make your hair feel lighter, but also look healthier and more voluminous. Instead of the usual ponytail or bun, why not try a high ponytail with a messy bun on top? This stylish look adds height and volume to your hair when shampooing hair. Apply pressure at the roots. This helps distribute the shampoo and ensures more even wash. If you struggle to rinse all the shampoo from your scalp, try tilting your head back slightly. Professional-looking hairstyle at home. Use clips and elastic bands to section off your hair. Start in the back and work your way forward, using different techniques to create volume or smoothness. Always blow dry from top to bottom. When it comes to drying your hair at home, here's a pro tip. Use a round brush while blow drying. This technique helps control and shape your hair as it dries. Using a cool air setting on your blow dryer for the last couple of minutes of drying to maintain a neat look. Always keep your hair shorter at the back. This creates an illusion of volume and keeps your hairstyle in place. Those with round faces, consider getting a fade or cut around the ears. This will make your face appear slimmer and more defined. When choosing a hairstyle that suits your face shape, opt for something that complements your unique features and let them shine through. If you have an oval or round face, ask your barber for a soft part or side part to enhance the shape of your face. If you're blessed with thick hair, invest in good products that help tame it. A quality shampoo and conditioner can work wonders. Don't shampoo your hair every day. Overwashing can strip it of its natural oils and cause dryness. To prevent tangles, always detangle your hair before washing it. Avoid rubbing your scalp when towel drying your hair, as it can cause breakage. Instead, gently squeeze out excess water using a towel. Hot water can damage your hair and strip it of essential oils, so opt for lukewarm water instead. Gently massage your scalp while shampooing to stimulate blood flow and promote healthy growth. Apply conditioner from the middle of your hair towards the ends, rather than the roots, to prevent buildup that could lead to scalp irritation. After shampooing and rinsing thoroughly, let your hair soak up any remaining water using a towel to avoid over-drying it. Allow your hair to air dry as much as possible to avoid damage from heat styling tools like blow dryers or curlers. Taking care of your hair is essential for maintaining a healthy and beautiful look. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more.